Hello friends, welcome to the another exciting video. In this video I am going to show you about Allen-Bradley PLC. Okay, so in this video I will show you how to communicate to Allen-Bradley Micrologix-1400 PLC, then how to create new program, how to add the model number of PLC and related model number in program, and download and upload of program. Okay, and software we are going to use in this video are, first one is RSLinx. So this software is basically for communication between PLC and PC. This is just communication software. We need to add driver in this software, and once communication is established, then we need to go for RSLogix 500. RSLogix 500 is a software for programming, ladder programming of this Micrologix 1400 PLC. Okay, so first of all we need to check IP address of the PLC. In last video I have shown how to check IP address of PLC and how to change it, and then we need to set the IP address of the PC. So in this, for me, the IP address of the PLC is 192.168.0.1. okay, and the PC IP address should be in the series of 192.168.0. you can put any of this number to here, last octet. Okay, I will check my IP address of the PC. Okay, this is 10.200. I will just change it to 0.10. This last octet could be anything, but always remember that these 3 octets should be always in the series of the PLC. Okay, let's begin. Open the RSLogix software. RSLogix 500. It will be in Rockwell software folder, right? This is Rockwell software. In this folder you will have RSLogix 500. Okay, file, new program. Okay, just select the your model number here. We have the model number 1766CL32BXB. Okay, Micrologix 1400 series B. Just click OK. We'll save the program. Test 1. Save. In IO configuration, you can check your PLC here, model number. Okay, now if you have any additional expansion models, you just need to put it here. You have to search for any additional model. For example, if you have 8 input card, then you just need to select this and drop here, drag and drop. If you have another one more 16 input card, then you can add. In this way you can add your expansion cards here. We have not any card, we have just PLC, so it will be only PLC here, right? Okay, now basically this is logic part. Here you can check the subroutine. This is first subroutine. You can add the multiple subroutines here. New, you can give the name, if suppose digital inputs, IO mapping. Okay, you can give the name to here, so rename main subroutine. Okay, in this way you can add multiple subroutine here. Okay, now we'll just have a little bit code. This is input address I0.0, take one output, give the address of output. I am just taking this as an example. Okay, in this way you can have your ladder logic here. Once you are done with logic, now let's communicate with the PLC. Okay, go to communication, system communication. Okay, it will redirect to the RSLinx. This is basically RSLinx, or we will do it by opening the RSLinx. Okay, this is RSLinx classic. We will open the RSLinx. Okay, now we will configure one driver. Just click over here, configure driver, select your driver. We have Ethernet device, right? So we will select Ethernet device, click add new. This is the name, just you can edit this. Okay, enter your PLC IP address. Say okay. Okay, now we can access the PLC here. It will just browsing node. Here you can see the PLC is found already. Browsing node 192.168.0.1 found. This PLC is found. Another method, you can add another driver, that is Ethernet IP driver. Add new. Okay, this is your, you need to select your network, your Ethernet driver, apply. Okay, okay. So what is the change in this driver? You have to select the IP address, particular IP address. If you don't know the IP address of the PLC, it will automatically come in the list of this Ethernet driver, Ethernet IP driver. Okay, means now we are communicating with PLC. Our PC is communicate to the PLC. Let's minimize. Okay, before downloading, we will just change one setting here. This is by default, this is boot TP enable. You need to just disable this. We will set IP address here 192.168.0.1. this is PLC IP address, right? 255.255.255.0. just apply and okay. Okay, now we will download the program. Go to communication, system communication. Okay, select the PLC here and download. Okay, yes, just click on run. Once you click on run, it will show as a green remote run mode, right? Now if you toggle the wait sorry, this is digital input, so it will not toggle. You need to force on it. Once you force on it, we cannot also force the input. Now we'll check, we'll add one rung here. If you want to online edit, you can just take here one new rung. If you want one, we'll take memory bit now. Okay, you can give the comment here, edit description bit 1, for example bit 1, edit description bit 2. In this way you can give comment. Just click here, click on this, accept, and load again. Okay, in this way you can modify online program also. Now you can force this. Let's toggle it. It's toggle, the output is on. Again we will toggle, the output is off. Right, in this way you can download program, online change the program. You can give the comment to anything by edit description. Okay, now we will try upload the program. Suppose go offline, save the program. Okay, let's close this backup. Okay, now we will upload the backup from PLC. Just go to communication, system communication, select the PLC, click here upload. Once you click upload, the program will read from PLC to PC. It will ask, do you want to go online? Just click yes. In this way you can upload the program, right? Okay friends, thank you.